Ensure that your laptop, smartphone, tablet, or other valuables are right where you left them with an under-desk organizer that is locked and hidden out of sight when closed. The Penn Elcom security drawer is tough but easy to use. Made from high-quality steel, it's mounted on telescopic slides with steel ball bearings so that your computer will slide out easily for quick access. Comfort pads mean you can even leave your laptop in the drawer and continue to work on it. Smooth rounded corners provide comfort and safety. A perforated steel base allows fresh air in but keeps thieves out. Power cords can be connected through the back, allowing you to use or charge your laptop whilst it is safely stowed away. And it comes with a set of 2 keys. Every drawer is supplied with a simple-to-use hardware installation kit, which will fit a wide range of wooden desks. For easy installation, we recommend that you turn your desk upside down to fit the laptop security drawer. If it is not possible to turn your desk over, assembly will be made easier with 2 people to hold and fit the unit. Position the fixing template at the front edge of the underside of your desk. Mark the holes for the drawer size you are about to fit. Using a bradawl or drill, make 4 small pilot holes in the underside of your desk. Now remove the template and put the drawer into position. Fix securely with the 4 wood screws provided. Fitting is now complete. Close and lock the drawer before turning your desk over. It's a perfect space-saving solution. Whether you're using a laptop at home, in an office, or at school, this under-desk tray will keep your valuables conveniently stored. There are different models going up in size to house a full 20-inch laptop.